Okay, guys. So while I was getting ready for cheerleading practice and Makana was washing the dishes, a fucking bird flew into our fucking house. And it's playing dead. It's like laying there and like breathing, but it's upside down like it's dead. And it's not moving, but it's breathing. So we have a feeling this is going to be interesting, so we decided to record it. Okay.
Show me the bird.
Oh yeah, you guys want to see the bird? Yeah. It's by my fucking new clothes! Fuck!
Not the bird!
It's like dead. In my house. What the fuck? It's not even paying rent! Let's give you guys a good view. Okay. Let's do this! Look at this dead. Oh fuck!
That is dead.
There's a fucking dead bird in my house! What the fuck? Wait.
I think it stopped breathing.
Oh my gosh, why do I have a cat on here?
Yeah, I think it stopped breathing.
Dude! The fuck? What the hell is wrong with my computer? Anyway. Bird. It's like dead. That black and white thing. In my house. What the fuck?
Get out!
Where'd it go?
It's right there.
What the fuck?
Hit the pillow. Hey, bad. Hey, bad. It's outside.
Did it go all the way outside?
Yeah, I did. It flew out.
What the fuck? There's a fucking dead bird in my house. Oh my gosh.
It's not dead no more.
Yeah, that freaking thing was playing dead. Okay, this is Desiree signing out. Peace. Makana, you want to sign out?
Peace.